Good day, guys. If you accidentally deleted emails from Gmail and even emptied your trash, here's exactly how to attempt recovery. So usually the deleted mail goes into your trash, and from here it's not deletable, sorry, it's recoverable. If you wish to recover it, just press on this and you just go ahead and recover it. So for example, you just press move to inbox. And when you press delete forever, that's a different thing. So if you can't find it in trash, use the Gmail search bar. So you just go to here, you can, but don't search in trash, search in all mail. Go to all mail, and in here, in all mail, search for something that you believe to be gone. So type keywords, sender, or subject to make sure the email isn't just archived or labeled differently. For emails permanently deleted from trash, visit the Gmail message recovery tool via Google Support. This tool lets you submit a request to Google to recover emails that were lost due to accidental deletion or hacking. So you just type in Gmail message recovery tool. There you go. You go here and you can submit your request right over here. Provide your Gmail account details and describe your issue. Google reviews your request and may be able to restore deleted emails if they are still on the service. So that's how you recover permanently deleted emails. Enjoy, guys. Press like on the video and subscribe. Helps me out a lot, and see you soon.